So for those of you that are following me on Instagram, you'd know that my training kind of like intensity and like the amount I'm training has definitely picked up, and with that comes a big like toll on your body. So that means I also really need to think about recovery and how to kind of take care of my body. So my apartment doesn't have a bath, so I can't do ice baths. So I found this loadable bathtub. It cost me about £90, and it's going to go out on my balcony, and obviously it's just going to be an outdoor ice bath, because that's something I really want to start implementing, because that is really good for recovery and like inflammation in the body. Today I'm just going to be building it because I need to actually get a hose so I can fill it up outside on my balcony, because yeah, I guess I don't really want to be doing the amount of trips that would take in a 1 litre bottle. So all I need to do now is wait for the hose to arrive, and then I can start having ice baths. So this is going to be an interesting one to start documenting. So if you've been watching the channel for a while, you'll know that I pretty much just love avocado on toast with eggs and tomatoes. Well, it can be with eggs, it can not be with eggs. Either way, avocado on toast and tomatoes I absolutely love. I pretty much will like use and abuse this every single day until there'll come a moment where I'm like really done with it, and then I'll like not have it for like 2 weeks, and then I'll be back on rotation for like another 6 months.
is